Hello my dear children of class 1. So children, how are you all? Children, today in English language, we will continue with the same topic. What was that? What we had done last class? What we had done in the previous class? Use of a and an. Fine? Okay. So, when to use the. Fine? But before that, let us recall the previous class.
We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant sound and before naming words that begin with a vowel sound. And we use a and an when we talk about one thing. Fine? For example, an orange. It is one orange, right? And it is a vowel sound. An orange. A pen. One pen and it is a consonant sound. A pen. An old man. A hen. Fine? So now we will see the use of the.
So, we use the for something specific, right? That means what? For something particular, person, animal or thing, right?
So the is used before the names of rivers, historical buildings, mountain ranges, natural bodies, names of newspaper, musical instruments, oceans, holy books and many more.
So now we will see few examples and then we'll do some written work. Fine children? So come, let's begin.
Let's see few examples. The Mahabharata, the violin, the Himalayas, the Ganges, the sun, natural bodies, right? The Bhagavad Gita, the gateway of India, the Jantar Mantar. These are what? Monuments, right? Historical monuments. The Hindustan Times, the harmonium. Right, children? So let's do some written work now.
So children, you see here, there are few words. So we'll use park. That means what? I'm talking about a particular place, right? So I'm talking about a particular place. So I'll use the park. Okay? Now, Mahabharata. It's the name of a book, Mahabharata. So we'll write here the. It's the name of particular book, right? A special book, Mahabharata, right? Hindu. I'm talking here about this. Hindu is a newspaper. So it's a particular newspaper. So we'll write here the Hindu, right? Like as you have, give me the name of other newspaper. The Telegraph, the Hindustan Times. Okay. Which newspaper comes to your house? Fine. Ganges. This is a name of a river. A particular name. Okay. So, what will I write here? The Ganges. Sky. As we had read in the definition, the is used before the natural bodies. Fine. So this is natural bodies, isn't it? Isn't it? The sky. Indian Ocean. So a particular name of a particular ocean. So the Indian Ocean. Moon. The moon, natural bodies, okay? Himalayas, name of mountains, right? So this is also the Himalayas. So children, kindly write this in your English language copy. Fine. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye children.